So guys, I will give like 3 minutes for people to join, but we are going to do live analysis on gold. Yesterday we smashed it, so let's see. Okay, let me share. Okay, join. Guys, always subscribe so that you can don't miss out on the lives. Okay. So let's give people time to join. Join. So guys, we are at 86 people. Let's wait for 20 more. Let's get to 100 and then we start. We are 92. Hi everyone. Hi from Nanyuki. Hi from Kericho. Hi from Mombasa. Hi from Nairobi. Joining in Nairobi CBD. Thank you guys. Anyone around the Kikuyu area? My neighbors. My neighbors don't follow me. Leo want to kill the market with $15. Morning millionaires. Why morning? Yesterday we killed high from Thika. High from Thika. Saudi Arabia in it. Gikambura in it. Martini there. Hey, where are you in Gikambura? I'm in Gikambura also. Nakuru. Yeah, thank you guys from Kamulu, from Roysambu, from Kikuyu, Lwakabete, from Karen, from Syokimau, from Kitengela, from Machakos, from Nigeria. Wow. From Mombasa, from Kitengela, from Kakamega. Next, we are represented. So anyone in Kisumu? Don't have anyone in Kisumu? From Upper Hill, from Nyeri. So we don't have anyone from Kisumu. Someone is from Guacairo. I know that place. Okay, let's get to the number and then we start. I got someone from Kisumu at least. Now we can start. Anyone from Mombasa? We have across the world from Nigeria. The Balagoon from Nigeria. Where did you find our link? Yeah, share. Let me see. Guys, have you ever heard of Lamborghini Revuelto? Let me give you stories before people finish joining. Yeah, we're almost there. We're almost there, guys. So, guys, tomorrow, by the let me not give you stories about cars because not everyone love cars. But I was thinking, guys, tomorrow I will upload a video about money psychology. It's very important. What do you think? From Githurai from Mombasa, from Kitui, from Embu. Guys, tell me, what do you think? I want to share money psychology. You guys know money psychology. Tell me what you think. Money psychology is all about Bahrain. Money psychology. How should you tune your brain so that you can attract money? I don't know. How am I supposed to think so that I can attract money to me? So that's the video I'm planning to do tomorrow. Tell me, guys, what do you think? Will it be a good video? Because people just want to make money, but you have to be in such a state of mind that money wants you back. You just don't want money. Money wants you back. You understand? What do you think, guys? Oh yeah. Yeah, make a video. It's good. Good. Guys, I think we can start now. I think we can start now. Upload it. Yes, yes, yes. Dagote in it. Nice. We can start. The numbers are right for us to start. And allow me to. So, guys, I want you to allow me to set up for TikTok. Yesterday, it was a very, very profitable day, to be honest. Yeah. Every analysis we did was a success. So, I'm praying for the same today. So, allow me to broadcast my screen. Yeah. Yeah. So, guys, what happens? Now. So, guys, what happens? Uh, we do our live analysis here on YouTube, then we go live trading on TikTok. You understand? That's why I'm trying to set up here for TikTok because that's where we'll be doing our live. Yeah? How should I set this up? So it has to be in front of me. Not good, not good, not good, not good. So a minute, guys. Don't get tired there. Yeah? Okay, so guys, we are live on TikTok. We are live here, and that's good. That's all we need. Okay, let me confirm. Yeah, that's all we need. Okay, okay. So, guys, yesterday, let's confirm what we did yesterday. First of all, so let's confirm. Yesterday, we were on daily buyers on gold buys, and this was supposed to be our entry. So our entry was triggered but violated. Okay, but remember our bias was buys. That's why I didn't give a buy signal. Okay, okay. Remember, are we together up to that point? So, guys, remember we had a bias on buys. So I think if we were online, we could have given this buy here. So, okay, this was supposed to be a buy and it's still buying. So I'm hoping for a small retracement and then I will buy gold right away. So just stay tuned, we will do that. Okay. Yeah. Back to Euro USD. Yesterday we analyzed it. Remember, guys, we analyzed Euro USD. We said we were hoping for a buy, but we were supposed to sell to buy. Remember, that's why we drew this. This was around 9:15. So you see, guys, we were hoping for a bounce back here, but it didn't bounce. But at the end of the day, we were on sales, right? If I lie, make sure you point out I've lied. Okay. But so far, so good. But remember, we said we are not selling so that we can continue selling. We are selling to buy. Okay. Someone remind me. Aye. Guys, my TikTok has just been banned. I don't know why. And it had only 15 people. Someone really hates what I do, eh? They are not telling me even what I did. So I just requested for a review. Okay. So guys, remember yesterday also GBP USD, I told you we were selling to buy, not just selling. Okay, and that's what happened. It really sold. Like I didn't expect it to get to these zones. Okay. We analyzed GBP JPY. This is the signal that I gave when we were live. We took our sell around this zone, and here it went up to the next zone. But our final take profit, remember, guys, it was here. So for me, I exited around here, but I don't know anyone held up to that point. So yesterday, basically, our let me see what your guys. What guys? Are you serious? I don't. I'm not supposed to show my. Yeah. Let me see. That's what is happening. Yeah, someone is saying she held her trade to that point. Guys, is it true that I'm not supposed to show my charts on TikTok? I'm giving you a lot of stories and you want us to analyze. Wow. Wait, guys, I think it's true. Thank you, Henry Disagu. Okay, that's new. I was never aware of that, guys. So I can't go live right now. Wait. So guys, I think what I will do when I go live on TikTok, I'll just be showing my face. How about if I show my face, it's also a crime. Ah, that's bad, man. What if I posted a video about chats? Hi from Banana. Okay, so let's go back to the charts now that we have gotten to the number we wanted. Okay, so guys, yesterday we took this sell. Swap me, I exited around this take profit that I gave. Yeah, let me show you where it is. Here is the signal. Here is the signal. Here is the signal. So if you have not joined our Telegram, you should join. So here is the signal cell 196. TP4 was 196.336, 196.336. So yeah, around this zone. Yeah, me, I took my cell from here to here and I exited. I expected a retracement around this zone, and that's why it didn't higher. Now let me show you something you can apply. So I said if you are fully new and you don't know anything about forex, just follow along, because Monday we are starting forex classes. Just for now, I just want us to analyze the market. I want you to get the images. I want you to understand what we are doing, how we are drawing. I want to give you that idea in your mind what you are doing. Okay. Okay. So guys, let me show you. Let me show you. So I was expecting this, right? But because it violated, it had to come here and give us another sell entry. Unfortunately, I was not online to take this trade. Should I repeat or you have understood, guys? You understand? Okay. So this was so this is a strategy. I don't know how they call it, but since you are expecting a breakout around this zone, right? I was expecting that. Let me color it black so that you can understand. This is the expectation. Black is my expectation, right? When I was taking this trade. Yeah, I was expecting buy. Okay, nice. I was expecting this, right? But unfortunately, yeah, I was expecting that. But unfortunately, this cell violated my setup. That's why it had to come back to my stop loss and make it an entry. So this is something you just learned. If your stop loss is hit, it becomes an entry if you had a good analysis. So this was supposed to happen, right? This was my setup to buy, sindio? Okay, and it was 1:2, right? There you go, exactly 1:2. Now, since it was violated, it gave us another chance to buy, to sell at the opposite, as in to take the trade on the opposite side, just like that. So this is a strategy. I don't know how they call it, but I hope you understand. Since our stop loss was hit, it had to give us another entry of the same zone. You see? So the black was my expectation. Since it was violated, it sold below. It had to come back, give us another entry, and then sell. We have grown this circle. So I hope you have understood that. Hmm? Someone, I don't know if they are breakouts and strategies. I don't know how they call it. Someone is calling it break a block. Yeah, break and retest. Yeah, break and retest strategy. Yeah. So I hope someone has. Oh, so someone is saying like nifunze ku analyze market. So guys, what is happening right now? We are just analyzing, and then from Monday we start like actual classes, because Monday those are that are interested in physical classes. We will also have physical classes. So we have everything for everyone. We continue. Okay, we have everything for everyone. So we continue. So we continue. So guys, I want us to. So guys, I want us to share. Okay, I want us to share the, what do you call it? I want us to share, to start analyzing again. Okay. Okay. So I hope everyone understands what we are doing. So yesterday we were hoping for sells, then buys. Okay, we were hoping for small buy, but you can see something we call momentum in the market is so high on sales. But remember, there's someone remind me yesterday's daily buyers. Were we sells on euro or buys euro USD? Someone remind me kindly. Someone remind me our buyers for yesterday on Euro USD 241. That's very good. It was on a sale. Let me confirm, guys. Okay, so guys, I want us to analyze because we have like 1 hour. I want us to analyze every possible. So I want us today like to have a lot of signals. Yeah. Yesterday we only took one successful signals. I was thinking, why don't we just take a lot of successful signals, not just one? Okay, so Euro USD, we were selling Euro USD, and that's a very good thing. So it's the easiest. So basically, if we are selling Euro USD, and you can see the momentum is crazy on sales, right? You don't have to be told. What does momentum mean? Momentum says if, okay, what is momentum? Now you can see, that's why I'm saying it's good you follow these classes so you get an idea. So what is momentum? Momentum basically is the strength of, if we are moving this direction, what's the strength? Okay. Let's say you can say a car has momentum because it's going at a very, very high speed, right? Now that's what we call momentum. You can see how it was selling very aggressively. Okay. So, like we cover, if you are going very fast and you have a lot of momentum, you cover a very long distance within a short period, right? Because you have momentum. If you don't have momentum, you will cover a long distance with a lot of time. Now, that's the basic way I can explain momentum. So basically, you can see from here to here. Let me draw it for you so that you can see from here to here. You can see, and this distance, you can see we have covered from. So let me show you the distance we are covering. We are covering the distance from here to here. It has taken very few from here to here. I hope I'm not confusing you. Listen, what is momentum? So we are covering the distance. When we talk about distance, it's not going sideways, it's going up or down, because Forex is either up or down. That's the distance. Time is upana. Okay. So if we have covered this huge distance within this short period, it means we have momentum to go that direction. But if we cover this distance, this distance with this much time, okay. So let me show another example. We have covered all this distance. Okay, no, no, not up to that, because it stopped selling. It stopped buying. Okay, so here we are selling. So let me make this red so that you understand, and let's make this blue because I want you to understand. So guys, all this distance from here to here we have covered with this small box, but from here to almost half, it's not even half, we have covered with this huge box. So what is that telling you about the market? Simple. Let me show you. It's telling you we have more momentum to sell than to buy. And you can see we are using a lot of candles to get to this point. But when we are selling, we are using few candles. So that's something I want you to carry along as we go. So hope someone has understood that. Ah, how? Yeah. So hope someone has understood that. We continue. Right. Now that you have understood, we continue. So guys, I was thinking, since you have understood, so where are we taking our sales? So we should be looking for sales, not buy. So we already have a sale around this zone. So this zone. So you can see this zone. The market has been. bouncing off. Okay, okay, okay. So what am I saying when I'm saying it's bouncing off? You can see it has tapped that zone, sold, tap that zone, sold, tap that zone, sold, tap that zone, sold. So it will be stupid to hope for it to bounce again, but at least you can hope for it to bounce here. Okay. I hope I'm trying to make it as easy as possible. Hello, niko na live class mzee, wacha nitakuwa. You understand, guys? So we don't want it to bounce back here. But at least here we have something we call break of structure. That's why I'm saying, guys, you follow these things, okay? So that it becomes easier. The more you hear about it, the more it becomes easier when you start learning it on Monday. Okay, that's break of structure caused by this zone. So I can confidently say we will take a sell around this zone. That's how simple forex can be. Okay, so that's euro USD. Where will be our take profits? So it will be something like this. So you don't want to put it exactly on the line, so you just pull it a bit. Okay. So our first take profit is actually where it is. Okay, let me stop messing around. So our take profit should be around here, but exactly with the first take profit. So let me write it down. First TP. TP1. Okay, you guys at this point you understand. I don't have to write down like for kids. Okay, that should be our take profit one because that's where it stopped the last time. Okay, that's its lowest point. And then take profit two here, take profit three. That should be our final take profit. So our R1 is 2.6, and that's a very, very good trade. That's why I have screenshot. So let's upload. No, we will not upload. Okay, we continue. So we are now on GBP USD. Hope I have not lost someone. Sijapoteza mtu hapo. Am I not drawing the yellow boxes? So someone is saying we draw the yellow boxes. That's good. And also we should. Someone is saying, would the price go up? Okay, you're all making sense. So to me, a fib tool. Okay, let's do exactly what you guys are saying. So someone is asking, why should I draw my entry here instead of here? Because I think if you can see, so for me, this is just an assumption. Okay. If the market taps this zone again, most probably it will come to break the zone. I don't know if you understand. If so, this zone has been tapped once, twice, thrice, fourth time. So most probably, if the market comes here for the fifth time, it's not here to sell; it's here to break. My assumption. You understand? So I don't like using a zone that has been so retested. If also moving forward, avoid zones that have been retested more than even two times. Okay, it makes imagine punching a wall one. So assume resistance is like a wall. Okay, you punch it. Okay, you punch it once, punch it again, you punch it then. The moment it becomes weak, so if it comes, the market comes here, it is comes back. It will most probably but more. So for me, this trade is safer than this one, according. Okay. I have fifth tool. Where do we draw the fifth tool? Fifth tool, yeah, yeah. So fifth tools you have to draw, I think, from here to here. Fifth tool, if you are waiting for a retracement, yeah, you can see it retraced. You see this zone is within the blue zone, like I taught yesterday. You remember? If it was below, so this could have happened if yesterday we were looking for an entry. But now, if we, I don't know if it is logical to use a fib tool just here, here to here. I don't know if that's logical. And if it's logical, it means our entry is not there. We want to draw a fib tool. So from here to here. I don't know if this makes sense. Does this make sense to you guys? For now, I don't feel like using the. I don't. It's. I think people. I use them for the huge entries. Ama, let me see what you guys are saying. Even the bullish flag chart patterns, so we anticipate more. Yes, that's a good idea, but I don't use chart patterns. Nebs, what is usually a signal for entry? Signal for entry momentum is very important. So, people have supported the sell. We go on. Why am I not drawing the yellow box? So let's go back to, so I want us to go back to, so guys, I want us to, what am I saying? I want, why am I distracted? So I want us guys to confirm. Now we have Euro USD. I want us to confirm the timing. So someone asking why I'm not drawing the yellow line. Yellow box means Asian session. So I want to confirm the current Asian session. Current Asian session timing. I want to mark it out on charts in Kenya. Sindio? I want to see the current Asian session. Asian session is from 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. out of London. So, guys, I don't know if this is right. They, they are saying from 12 a.m. I mark from 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. to 9 a.m. That should be our yellow box. Yellow box means Asian session. And if I've made a mistake, feel free to correct me. But I think that should be our yellow box. So, what does the yellow box help us with? Anything. Okay. So, those that are joining, you don't know why I have to draw the yellow box and why it is important to the guy that I have mentioned. So, basically, yellow box tells you how the session was before you woke up. How was the market before you woke up? So, basically, from before we woke up, we can all see. So, it's like I'm teaching here. We are not analyzing, but it's okay. We sold, buy, sold, buy, sold. So what are we expecting? More sales, maybe here. But I'm telling you now, that's a very good reason. Now let me show you, if the market comes here, it has to break the Asian high. Okay, that's why I'm saying taking my sell here is very risky, because now we have more reasons why not to take our sales here, because this is very, it's retested so much, and yet again it's on an Asian high. So most probably we have to blow our Asian high, but I'm hoping we blow the Asian low. You understand? You understand? Now I've moved from analyzing to teaching. I hope hello Mkubu, can you tell us the best time? Best time frame is 15 minutes time frame. Kindly, I'm requesting you record the class. I've always recorded the classes, guys. Okay? Okay. I think everyone understood. Now we can go to gold. Okay. See, we passed through GBP USD, we go by line. I hope. So GBP USD, remember, remind me the buyers of yesterday. So let's go through the buyers. So so Euro USD is still on a downtrend. Uh-huh. So GBP USD, we are still looking for sales. Sindio? Yesterday, buyers was a sell, so we continue looking for sales. Imagine if we took this trade and held to this point. I don't know what cost us not to. Again, what I was telling you guys, okay, this was supposed to be an entry. Let me delete this. So this was supposed to be an entry height. You can see trading is that simple. Imagine this was supposed to be an entry, right? The market was expected to come here, bounce off, right? But it did not, it ignored and then went back to the entry and then gave an opposite trade. Simple. It ignored your stop loss, okay, umenikula 1:1. So assuming you have $3, okay, you lose $1 and then you take the next trade, they return, they give you back $2. So you lost $1 to make $2. So what's your profit? $1. Ama, because you lost 1:2, you got 1:2. Yeah, actually that's it. You lost $2 to make one, but at least you're not in losses. But if it continues, you are making more than $1. I hope I'm not misleading people. I mean, I'm not making you confused. So let's see, where is gold? Where is this man going? So we go to daily chart. So GBP USD, we look for more sales. So where the market is another sell entry. Let me zoom for you. There you go. So the market has broken the lowest point, you can see. So we are expecting for a retracement, and that retracement should give us an entry to richness. An entry to richness, because the next target profit is yeah, the next target profit is around here. Around here. So we can confidently look for sales on GBP USD. So I don't know why we were exiting these trades, guys. You know, I'm regretting, because if we could have held our trades, GBP USD, look at the sell from here yesterday to here. Should we draw the yellow line? We try from 12 a.m. 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. No, not that. From 12 a.m. Yes, to 9 p.m. 9 a.m. So we go back to 15 minutes time frame. So if that was so you can see the sales is crazy. Yeah? So what are we expecting? We are expecting a retracement around, I don't know, this zone. This is where I can take my sell entry on GBP USD, something like that. Okay, 1 is to 2 is enough. So that's our signal. In case you don't know, that's a signal. Okay, let me screenshot it like that, and then we continue. Now we are on gold. Okay, someone remind me our daily buyers of gold yesterday. Okay, someone remind me. Hey, someone remind me. Guys, someone remind me our daily buyers of gold yesterday. Buy, yes. Yesterday, our charts daily buyers from our analysis was a buy, and you can see it really bought. Now, I missed my entry because this was supposed to be my entry. This here, was supposed to be my entry, and you can see it was violated, right? Even though it bought a little bit, but it came here now, took a bigger buy. Okay, so I didn't take any trade on gold because it violated this before I even took the trade. You understand? Okay, so now that we are after more buys, what do we see? One thing we have to accept willingly and unwillingly, if the market gets to this zone, it will bounce off. Okay, so I will color it black because it's not going to sell much, but we will see some retracement from this zone. Okay, but either way, I feel if we can try taking gold around this zone. So you can see we have some retracement. So I think the retracement is to give us a buy entry. Now I'm thinking where should we draw our buy? I don't see where. So here we had liquidity. Okay, it was taken out. So if this market can retrace to this zone, it would give us a good entry of this zone or this zone, but most probably this zone. We need to regular. Okay, so for this gold, I think I will just make an alert around this zone. So an alert here. Okay. Yeah, guys, I didn't know we can't live trade on TikTok. Shit. Okay, we continue. So is everyone okay with gold? Gold, we will take losing. If we will lose here, we just take the trade here, and that's it, and we recover our money. That's what trading is all about. You have to take that entry you are thinking of, because if you ignore it, you will lose, and if you ignore it, you might lose an opportunity. So we have to face it, lose, and get the next one, or ignore and miss the whole thing. You understand? So those people that wanted gold, are you okay with that? I don't trade patterns, so that's why I'm not commenting on patterns. Amima, can I bet $1 million is going up to buy from? Someone is saying he can bet 1 million GBP USD is going to buy from GBP USD. I think if you are so sure, you can take that 1 million. You will make good money. So, guys, it has broken the, as I told you, it has sold. It has broken the Asian low, just like I hoped. and analyze, but we didn't want it to break that early because we want to get an entry, and it's not giving us an entry. Okay, so if you have that 1 million, make sure you bet. It will be good for you. Okay, Euro JPY. Can we move on? Yeah, you can always do that. You can. Someone is saying you can always change these currencies by typing the number you want. But for me, it's just all here. We are going with line, so I just tap next. So someone remind me our daily buyers for USD JPY yesterday. I told you I don't like USD JPY, guys. I don't like this pair. I really don't. Oh, so we were hoping for buys on Euro. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This was a good one. Ah, yeah, 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 yeah. Shit. Ah, 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 ah. So, guys, we were hoping for buys on USD JPY. We were hoping for the market to come here. I mean, we were hoping for the market to come here, but it did not. It came here instead, and boom, it bought. So I can say this is useless. I can delete now because it did not get to the extreme end. Instead, it bought from this zone, and boom, it's buying. It's buying. It's buying. Okay. So can we get an entry? Let's see. Let's see first. Let's identify the Asian session. Okay, let's identify the Asian session. Okay. So Asian session, you always color it yellow. Okay. So that's my Asian session. What am I seeing on the Asian session? Asian session, we had a lot of selling momentum. So if I was asked if the Asian session had a lot of selling momentum, you guys remind me yesterday's buyers on USD JPY, USD JPY, USD JPY. Still waiting on the confirmation for broker to use. Yes, just hold on. Guys, I'm asking the USD JPY